Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play DayZ on Steam. First, you'll need to purchase and install the game directly from the Steam store. Before diving in, quickly check that your computer meets the minimum system requirements to ensure a smooth experience. Once installed, launch DayZ and familiarize yourself with the main menu, where you'll find options to join a server and begin your adventure. DayZ offers two main server types, official and community. Official servers provide the core, unmodded DayZ experience, adhering to standard rules. Community servers, however, are run by players and often feature unique modifications, custom maps, or altered gameplay mechanics. When selecting, always consider the server's population and your ping for the best connection and interaction. Once you're in the game, your immediate priorities are survival. Focus on scavenging for food, water, and essential medical supplies like bandages. Learning to craft basic items, such as stone knives or improvised shelters, is crucial for early game progression. Always remain vigilant. The world of DayZ is dangerous, with both infected creatures and potentially hostile players lurking around every corner. As you gain experience, focus on refining your inventory management to optimize your carrying capacity. Communication with other survivors can be beneficial, but always proceed with extreme caution, as trust is a rare commodity. Explore the expansive map thoroughly. Discovering new towns, military bases, and hidden caches will provide you with better gear and strategic advantages for long-term survival.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.